Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. I am Mahian Jalil. Today I am going to show you how to permanently delete a Facebook account. Today I am going to permanently delete my own account. So without any further ado, let's go into the video. Firstly, we have to go Facebook apps. Then we have to log in to the ID, which ID I should delete. After that, we have to go menu button and then settings and privacy. Then go to settings. After that, we have to go down and down and down. Here we can see account ownership and control. We have to click on it. After that, here is deactivation and deletion. We have to click on it. So some of our users could not found deactive option in their ID, so they can do it from here. Just continue account deactivation. After the click, he or she will choose some options and then give the password and continue and deactivate. But I'm showing you how to delete an account. Now I'm continue to delete. Again continue to active deletion. After that, I have to click delete account and I have to give my password. After that, I have to go continue. Here is a information that it will be scheduled for 30 days. After 30 days, it will be permanently deleted. It's from Facebook official, so we have to wait for 30 days for permanently delete. So I am clicking delete account. Here you can see, if you log into Facebook within the next 30 days, you will have the option to cancel the deletion. So why it go, I don't know, because my account is deleted, so it comes. So I have an option, if I log in within 30 days, then it will be cancel the deletion, and if I don't log in, then it will be delete my Facebook account permanently. So thank you. If you enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for more updates.